Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I installed this zebra print wig, stay tuned to the rest of the video.
Ooh, this is me. This is who I am.
Okay guys, first thing first, we about to create our zebra print wig, and to do that I use bleaching powder with 40 volume developer, and I mixed that and I made the consistency a thick consistency so that it would not run when I'm putting the dye on the wig. So y'all, I just kind of start placing the mixture of bleaching powder and developer onto the wig. I did not have a certain technique. You just got to have a creative mind and try to create any patterns that you want. Right now I know my work looks a little messy, but it came out really cute. Again, you don't need to be no scientist to do this. Just have a creative mind. And yeah, that was it. Once I was done bleaching it, I washed it out. We're about to do the ball cap method. I got these pantyhose from Walmart, and they're like transparent stockings in the color coffee. So yeah, y'all, let's get ready to do a ball cap method that I have not done in forever. And as you can see, they're stockings, pantyhose, so we're gonna cut them. Okay, right now y'all, I'm about to create the ball cap method using this transparent stocking that I said in the beginning that I bought from Walmart. As you can see right now, I'm cutting out the ear tabs, and we're going to use the liquid ice to put this lace down. Alright y'all, so to lay this down, we're going to use some the Mean Grip liquid gel, and we're going to put it all over the hairline. Alright y'all, we are using the liquid ice, as I already stated, to lay this ball cap method down. As y'all know, I have not used the ball cap method in a while, but of course I wanted to use it this time on this particular wig. So y'all, we're going to finish gelling this down, and I'll be back. Alright y'all, we're gonna let this dry out, and then we're gonna come back and cut the rest of the lace off. Okay y'all, so right now we are just pretty much cutting the lace off, and we're just going to cut the lace off enough to where we're just going to take that lace that we're cutting off, and we're going to cut it, and we're going to just kind of push it to the back of the head. Y'all already know I haven't used the ball cap method in a while, but I wanted to use it on this video. Just because, again, I haven't used it in a while. But yeah, we using the ball cap method, y'all. We're going to push it to the back, and the excess lace that's on the top of the ball cap method, I'm just going to tie it in the back. Alright y'all, we about to get ready to glue this wig down. So first thing first, you already know you have to wipe your hairline down with some alcohol just to get rid of all that excess oil on your head. So right now we're going in with the Mean Grip Skin Protective Spray. I'm going to spray that all over my hairline, and once we're done that, we're going to go in. We're going to put the wig on just to kind of fit the wig to make sure that the ball cap is evenly where I want to place my wig. So that's what I'm doing right now, y'all. I'm just kind of evening everything up. And y'all see how good this wig came out? Look how good the print of this wig came out. It came out super cute. And y'all, I got so many compliments on this wig. And by the way, you can purchase this wig off my website. As y'all already know, we will dye it. We're going to pluck the hairline. We're going to bleach the knots. We're going to do all that for you. And even if you want the lace on the wig cut, we'll do that too. But yeah, y'all, this video here was a long awaited video. I'm sorry. I've been so busy with shipping products off, and I've been so busy with the business that I have not had a chance to put out any videos on YouTube. But that's fine. I'm back. We're going to get back to put some more videos out. But right now, y'all, as you can see, I am cutting out the ear tabs. So what I do, I just kind of part out the section of the hair where I'm cutting the ear tabs at, so that I won't cut the hair off of the wig, as you guys can see. So right now I am cutting the ear tabs off just to, again, fit the wig to my hairline. And throughout this whole process, y'all, I'm just going to be fitting everything to my hairline, and that includes the ball cap. The ball cap pretty much have to fit where you will be placing your wig at. So I'm just cutting out the ear tabs, and I'm fitting everything to my hairline, including the ball cap method. And throughout this section here, y'all, I'm gonna be going back, and you can see that the ball cap on the side is too far down, so I will have to go in and cut that section off just to make sure everything fits perfectly. Okay, y'all, so I am finishing up with cutting off the sides of the ball cap method, again, to make sure that everything is fitting perfectly for this wig. And y'all, I'm going to talk throughout this video because somehow I keep getting copyright on my videos. So we're going to be talking through this video. But right now, y'all, I am using a mean grip adhesive to lay this wig down, which y'all should already know. Y'all can also buy this this glue on my website. And y'all, we almost had an accident there where all that glue almost sprayed it all over me, y'all. But you realize that my bottle, of course, is an older bottle, and sometimes the pressure of that thing, you go to squeezing that thing and it'll just waste all over you. So sometimes you have to just kind of stick a pen needle in the bottle to make sure that the opening is, open, so the pressure of it don't push all that glue out on your head. So y'all, right now I'm just spreading the glue out evenly through the hairline. And yes, y'all, I said this through multiple of my videos. You have to spread the glue out evenly throughout the hairline. You can't have no lumps, bumps, anything in the glue, because if you do, it will not dry clear. Period. It will not dry clear. So make sure that you spread it out evenly throughout the whole hairline, and try not to put too much glue on it, because if you put too much glue, it will not dry clear. Period. So right now, y'all, I am putting on my second layer. Now for me, when I put my glue on, y'all, sometime I would take the blow dryer and put it on low heat to help it dry clear, but you don't have to really do that. You could just let it sit for about 5 seconds and it will dry clear. Some people just don't have patience and they just put they legs straight on top of the glue even though it has not dried clear, and that's when you get the white substances on your hairline. Like, y'all, have patience. Like, let this glue dry clear before putting your lace on top of the glue. And as y'all can see, I'm using a blow dryer just to quickly dry it because I'm kind of in a rush. So it's on low heat though. And then once it's dry clear, we're going to go ahead and place the lace on top of the glue and gently massage it into the glue. Gently massage it into the glue. Once you gently massaged it into the glue, you can go ahead and put on your band to kind of let all the ingredients come together, let it do its meltdown part of it, and once it does a meltdown part, then you all good to go. All right, y'all, here we go, putting the band on there to let it do is melt down. And I think I left the band on for maybe about 10 minutes to let it do its thing. And after 10 minutes, we're going to come back. We're going to take that band off. And then we're going to pretty much cut off the excess lace. Right now, I am using a hot comb. Again, you guys can purchase from my website. We have it in pink and black. So right now I'm getting ready to cut the lace off. I do use the razor method. I like the razor method better because it gives you that uneven cut, which will make the lace look more natural than having a bold cut through your lace and it just look like a bold hairline, which your hairline is not like that. So that's why I like using a razor method. So we are using a razor method to cut this lace off. And after we finish cutting the lace off, guys, we're going to come back and we're going to use the Mean Grip lace tint mousse. Right now, we just pushing everything back with the hot comb. But we're going to come back with the lace tint mousse and sweet caramel. As y'all can see, my hairline looks a little white, not the color of my skin tone. So I'm using the lace tint mousse again in sweet caramel, where you can get from my website again, to kind of tint that lace to match my tone. When you put the lace tint mousse on, it does stain a little bit, especially if you put it on your skin. It will stain a little bit, but all you have to do is take a little water and clean it up. So right now we're using a Mean Grip melt spray, and we're just going to put a little bit on our finger and tap it on the wig and put the cap on and let it sit for a while. Right now we're using the knot stick to define our part a little bit. I think I'm using the shade cinnamon, if I'm not mistaken, in the part. Either I'm using cinnamon or caramel in the part. Right now we already then pulled out our baby hairs, y'all. Sorry, this video is kind of going kind of quick, but we pulled out our baby hairs already. We're going to get ready to cut them and to kind of shape them up. And as I stated in other videos, your baby hairs make your wig. If your baby hair is not right, your wig won't be right. And for the people who don't do baby hairs, you still have to make sure that that lace is seamless, that you do not see that lace. So for me, I like to do baby hairs. So right now I am taking my little small flat iron to kind of curl my baby hairs. This part is optional. You can curl your baby hairs or you can just not curl them and just shape them. Totally up to you. But for beginners can definitely curl their baby hairs because it kind of guides them to how to form their baby hairs. So right now we're using the Mean Grip styling form, and we're using that to form our baby hairs. Now y'all, I know y'all like, well, you have the lace tint mousse, you have the styling form, why you're using both. You could use both if you want to. I could have used the lace tint mousse to form my baby hairs, but I didn't want to. I wanted to use the form mousse because I like the way that it makes my baby hairs crispy, and then after it like crisp up, I kind of come back in and pretty much comb them out because I don't like hard baby hairs. Some people like hard baby hairs. I don't like hard baby hairs. I like soft baby hairs. I like to come back in and comb my baby hairs out and make them look more natural. I don't like, you see how it looks now? It looks hard. They look like they're stuck to the skin. I personally don't like that. I like mine to be soft. I like to comb them out and I like them to be more natural. As you guys see what I'm doing right now. And again, y'all, this is a real like informative video to let y'all know how to pretty much lay down your lace. And again, I'm talking through this video because every time I put music on there, I get copyrighted and I'm getting tired of getting copyrighted. So if anybody know where I can get some good music at to put on my videos where I would not get copyrighted, please let me know down in the comment section. So y'all, again, right now we just pretty much cleaning everything up. I'm flat ironing, I'm cleaning baby hairs up, I'm making sure my part is straight. So we just pretty much cleaning everything up because we're down to the end of laying this lace, y'all. And by the way, y'all, I wore this wig for, actually it was for my husband's birthday. I wore it for my husband's birthday, and y'all, I tell you, I got so many compliments on this wig. It was crazy how many compliments I got on this wig. And as I stated, if you guys want to purchase this wig, you can purchase it on my website. Again, we pluck the hairline, we customize the hairline, we bleach the knots, and we also style the wig for you. Now y'all, we coming down to the end of the video, and y'all see how cute this wig is coming out. Like, it's coming out so cute. Look how natural it looks. So y'all, pretty much here's the finished look. I'm gonna comb out my baby hairs again because I like them soft. But here is the finished look of me installing this zebra print wig. Let me know y'all thoughts down in the comment section.